Now we learn about the various items of admin part, admin adding auctions and bidders. This is the project real-time auction and is already completed. This is very important because I am just explaining so that you can find out your way. Now in this today's tutorial, we have this www root folder, and inside this we have admin folder. Just for convenience we have added. There is no hard and fast rule, it's just to classify them because these are pure HTML files. They could all have been directly in the www root folder also. Now this is the index page of the administrator, and here before I come, let me also talk about that we have also separated some APIs for administrator. This is just a rough classification of the admin and others. In the admin, for example, we have get all auctions, get auction by ID, create auction, update auction. So let's have a look at this get all auctions. They are all. This is create auction. It's simply a web API that adds to database and returns OK, get all auctions. So these are all the various web API that you can see, have a look at around. Some project logic is also included, but these are very simple as I just see them through. As I was writing, it wasn't a big task. It is because of the facility provided by EF Core that database connectivity is rather a very simple and interesting and good job also here. So let us first run and then I will come to the explanation so that we know what is where. As usual, a login page opens and I will just enter admin followed by 123, click on login, and this brings me to the dashboard page. I'll complete this dashboard page in the next tutorial, but right now you will see two links here, auctions and log off. Let me click on this one. There is now this is a page index.html. Before proceeding now further, I'll just now enter to the index.html page. When this page loads, it gets all the auctions, and we can navigate to this function. I'm holding control and click. This function is in the main.js file, as you can see on this right side, and it makes a fetch API to API/admin/auctions, and it gets a list. If there is some problem with the response, this will usually occur when authorization fails, authentication fails, and here API admin auctions. So this is API admin auctions. It brings to me to get all auctions, and it as I told you, this just returns a list of all the auctions. And when you get all the auctions, then it adds them one by one to the HTML table on this page, and this is the HTML table that has only name, dates, and nothing is there. To that body tag, the auction items are the rows are added one by one. So this is a beautiful JavaScript trick, nothing else. And then these are log off and dashboard links, as you must have already seen on this page, log off and dashboard links. And when you click on edit, you move to the form, and on this form we have certain name of the auction and update and all. And if I were to show you the form is here. When this form loads, it gets admin auction by ID, so that a pre-filled form is there. And this code, this will also ensure that update and create. For example, it will change save button to update if the form data is already there, and otherwise it will keep it as save. Where was I? Here. So this is basically a simple JavaScript to API, everything is through functions, and this will take me to cancel, that means takes me back. And what else is there? So apart from this, we have this similar page for bidders also. As you can see, bidders slash index will contain a form and will show a list of all the bidders. This is how it is actually working right now. And all these formattings of date and currency, they have been done according to the starting as I showed you on this page, currency formatter and date formatter internationalization. And in the next tutorial we'll take about the module for the bidder, for the dashboard, because bidder is only coming to dashboard and administrator is also interacting through the dashboard, where real-time updates will be sent to all the bidders by the admin, and like that. I'll close it right now. Thank you.